Hey there, how are we all doing today? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and we are unboxing, as you can tell by this special Seiko box, the Seiko 5. We are unboxing a Seiko Naruto and Boruto watch. And here you can see the cool scroll box. Very neat design. They put so much effort into this watch. You wonder if they ever put any effort into some of the more expensive watches, their boxes and stuff, instead of the plain, white box and the plain black and white box. So here we go. This is pretty cool. Little foam piece so the watch doesn't get scratched around. And here we got the watch of the man himself, Naruto. And so here we go. Very cool looking watch. Love that orange strap. Very striking indeed. And then you got his little symbol there on the top of the bezel. Very, very cool. Overall, just a cool looking color combination. Um, these Seiko 5s are based on the SKX design case and head there. And it's kind of neat because, people mod them out a lot. And with all this modding, I think it kind of gave Seiko an idea of, hey, let's make our own versions of modded watches. And then so they came out with all these different styles, like you had the Street Fighter and now the Naruto edition. And they don't just do a little bit; they really go all the way with it. You know. Now this watch is a limited edition watch. It's limited to 6,500. Yes, I know it does not sound that limited, but basically that just means it's like a single production run of the watch. And this watch is got the usual movement here that you find in the Seiko 5s. That's the 4R 36, and this one is based on the character Naruto himself. He's got like that orange ninja jumpsuit, and that's why you got the orange in the NATO strap. So very cool look overall. You can see the markers are a little different, and that's based on the character again. He's got 9 tails or something, and that's why you've got the different orange markers there to show that off. And you've got the swirl on the dial. Very cool looking. Overall, even if you're not into the anime characters, Naruto is an anime from Japan, popular internationally worldwide. So even if you're not, it's just a cool looking watch. I mean, you don't see that many orange watches out there. So if you want a funky orange watch, looks a little Frankensteined up because you got the gold head and the silver bezel. Here you can see it on my wrist. Uh, just like the SKX, like I said, it's a good size watch. It's not too big, not too small. My wrist is a 7.5 inch size wrist, and the case on that one is a 42.5 millimeters. And the scroll box is the Earth and Heaven scrolls from the Chunin exams, and it's used to test junior ninja skills. So that's what those boxes are, huh? Okay, that's cool. I'm glad I looked it up in the anime there. But here you can see it on my wrist. Again, a 7.5 inch wrist. This is about an average size for a watch nowadays. It doesn't really sit up too big. I think even if you have a small wrist, it sits pretty well. Again, this is the 4R36 caliber. That's been Seiko's workhorse caliber as of late. And here you can see it with the lume. Um, with this lume, you could really it's got it on the hands and right there at the 12, it looks like. Doesn't light up as much as you'd think, but I guess those orange markers don't have any lume on them. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. I appreciate it very much. And I'd like y'all to have a good one. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.